Today's video is on the top 3 best snow plows for ATVs. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget. Kuafu Snow Plow Blade Universal Kit. Ready to take your ATV plowing game to the next level? This setup comes with everything you need to conquer winter. A sturdy blade, a push tube, and a universal mount kit. Let's dive into the details and see how this equipment can make your life easier when the snow starts to pile up. First up, the blade. It measures a solid 48 inches wide and 17 inches high, giving you plenty of coverage for clearing snow from driveways, pathways, or even your property. Made from heavy-duty steel, this blade is built to withstand tough conditions, ensuring it won't bend or break when faced with heavy snow or ice. What's even better is the 20-inch wide blade mounting system, which allows for 5 different angle adjustments. You can easily pivot the blade to 2 positions to the left, 1 in the center, and 2 to the right. This flexibility means you can tackle any situation with ease, whether you're pushing snow to the side or creating a path for your vehicle. Now, let's talk about the push tube. This part of the setup features an ergonomic pivot handle designed for improved leverage, making it easier for you to control the blade while you're out plowing. No more struggling to push through tough snow. The quick pin attachment connects seamlessly to ATV underbody mounts. These mounts attach directly to your ATV frame, giving you better plowing control and stability while you work. And don't forget about the mid-mount kit. This kit fits perfectly with the mid-mount ATV push tube, 150070, ensuring everything aligns correctly for optimal performance. If your ATV has skid plates that are welded on, just be aware that you might need to do a little drilling for installation. It's a minor adjustment that can make a big difference in how well everything fits together. Just a quick note. This setup isn't compatible with Can-Am Outlander models, so keep that in mind if you own one. You'll be pleased to know that this equipment is compatible with a variety of ATVs, including popular brands like Honda, Kawasaki, Polaris, Eon Crossland, and Arctic Cat models such as Altera and Utility XR Snow Plow blades. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a first-time snow cleaner, this setup is designed to make your life easier and more efficient. Best of all, you'll receive 2 packages with this purchase, ensuring you're fully equipped and ready to tackle the snow. With this reliable setup, you'll be able to breeze through winter weather, keeping your driveways and paths clear and safe for you and your family. So gear up and get ready to plow with confidence. Tap that subscribe button like you're revving up your ATV to tackle the toughest snowdrift. Number 2, best overall, MotoAlliance Denali ATV Snow Plow Kit. Looking for a snow plow that gets the job done for your ATV? Check out Denali. These plows have been tearing through snow for over a decade, with thousands of units flying off the shelves. With a solid network of over 300 dealers in the USA and Canada, you can buy with total confidence knowing you're choosing a proven quality product. So what sets Denali apart from the competition? It starts with top-notch engineering right here in the USA. Their expert team of engineers is dedicated to making sure that each snowplow meets the highest standards. They use cutting-edge scanning technology and advanced software to model every detail of the plows, ensuring that all the angles are perfectly crafted for heavy-duty plowing. This commitment to innovation means that you can tackle even the toughest winter conditions with ease, knowing your equipment is built to last. Worried about fitting your ATV? Don't be. Denali's included mount is designed for universal fitment across various ATV models. This means that whether you're using an older ATV or deciding to upgrade to a brand new model, you won't have to worry about compatibility issues. Just transfer your Denali plow over to your new ride and you'll be ready to hit the snow without missing a beat. It's that simple and convenient. When you choose Denali, you're getting a complete kit that has everything you need to get started. This kit includes an 11-gauge plow blade, which is designed for durability and performance. Along with the blade, you also receive a robust wear bar that protects your plow from wear and tear, sturdy push tubes that provide strong support, and a universal mount for easy attachment. To ensure that you can set everything up quickly and without hassle, adjustable skid feet are included, as well as all the installation hardware and clear instructions you'll need. It's all there to help you get your plow ready for action in no time. But the real beauty of this plow lies in its reinforced blade, which is built to withstand the rigors of heavy snow removal. The design features 4 7-gauge ribs that run the full height of the blade, providing incredible strength and stability. On top of that, 3 additional horizontal stabilizers support the deepest point of the blade, ensuring that it remains sturdy and effective even in the toughest conditions. With Denali, you can have peace of mind knowing that your plow is not just powerful but also reliable. So, why wait? If you want to gear up for winter and conquer the snow like a pro, Denali has you covered. With its proven quality, expert engineering, universal fit, and complete kit, it's the perfect choice for anyone serious about snow plowing. Don't let winter slow you down. Embrace the season with confidence, knowing you have the best equipment by your side. Number 1, our pick, Kolpin ATV Switchblade Plow. Ready to conquer winter with your ATV? Check out this complete UTV plow system, all packed into one convenient box. Just keep in mind that you'll need a winch or a manual lift, which you can grab separately. Let's dive into the features of this impressive plow system. First up is the advanced stamped steel blade technology. You can adjust the blade to 2 different widths, 48 inches or 60 inches. This flexibility is a real lifesaver. If you're just clearing a narrow path or a tight spot, you can go with the 48-inch setting. But if you've got a wider driveway or a large area to clear, the 60-inch width has you covered. This adaptability makes it perfect for a variety of snow removal tasks, ensuring you can tackle any challenge that winter throws your way. Now, let's talk about the durability of this plow. It's built to last. The robust square tube steel chassis is designed with strategically placed reinforcements. This means that you don't have to worry about wear and tear when facing heavy snowfalls or icy conditions. You can trust that this plow will hold up season after season, making it a worthy investment for your winter toolkit. Another fantastic feature is the 5-position blade angle. With just a quick adjustment, you can set the blade to push snow to the left, to the right, or straight ahead. This level of control is crucial when you want to clear snow efficiently without creating piles in unwanted places. Plus, it makes maneuvering around obstacles like cars or mailboxes a breeze. You'll be able to get the job done quickly and effectively, leaving your driveways and paths clear for easy access. Now, you might be wondering how complicated it is to set up this plow system. Well, you'll be pleasantly surprised. The universal underbody mount is designed for easy assembly. You won't have to spend hours struggling with confusing instructions or fiddling with hard-to-reach bolts. You can have everything up and running in under 1 hour. That's less time spent assembling and more time spent enjoying a beautifully cleared outdoor space. With this complete UTV plow system, you'll be ready to face winter head-on. Whether you're clearing snow for yourself, your family, or even for neighbors, this plow makes the whole process a lot easier. Imagine gliding through the snow-covered landscape with confidence, knowing that you have the right tools for the job. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.